How to add a chat box to your Google Sites page. So if you want to add a chat box, the first thing you want to do is open up a page called tlk.io. This is the website that will allow you to add the web chat to your Google Sites. Once you've done that, you then want to enter in your channel name. So for mine, it's called Real Estate Domain, so I'll just call it Real Estate. Okay, and once that's done, this will appear. And what you want to do is, if you want to join, just enter in the name. This is what will appear on your web page. So what you want to do is copy the URL link, go back to your Google Sites page, go to embed, and go to by URL. Enter that in. And once you've done that, it will show you a preview. Click insert. And here, I've decided to put it on my front page, but you can put it anywhere else. This is just for example. So what I wanted to do is resize this a little bit. Just for the purposes of this example, I'll make it large. And once I'm happy with that, I'll go to the top right hand corner and click publish. Okay, a preview will come up of what my web page will look like. Of course, it could be positioned better, but for now, this is what it's going to look like. And I'll click publish. All right, so now that the chat's in there, what we want to do is see what it looks like. So we'll go to publish, click the arrow, and then select view publish site. And this is the chat box and how it looks like. So if someone wanted to speak, they could say, hello. And that's that. And that shows how many people are online. So if somebody else was online, their name would appear and they can talk too. And that's how you add a chat box to a Google Sites page.